High-risk work or notifiable work. Please note, if you choose not applicable and there is any contradictory evidence present in the assessment, this question will not be marked as such. There are two options for this question. The first one is for high-risk work that is not notifiable to WorkSafe. Please provide one example showing how the hazards and risk associated with high-risk work is controlled. Evidence of how the high-risk work controls were communicated to and accepted by workers carrying out the work. This can include sign-off by workers or evidence that the process was discussed at a meeting. Both of these will require actual or time date stamped signatures. Also provide evidence that those carrying out the work have the relevant training. This should be high-level training if applicable to that task. The example must be for work that was completed within the last 12 months by your workers. Please do not submit evidence of high-risk work carried out by any subcontractors. The second example or second option for this question is for notifiable work to WorkSafe. The evidence is very similar to high-risk work. Please provide one example showing how the hazards and risk associated with the high-risk work is controlled. Evidence of how this work controls were communicated to and accepted by the workers carrying out the work. This can include sign-off by workers or evidence that the process was discussed in a meeting. Both will require actual or time date stamped signatures. Evidence that those carrying out the work have the relevant training. Again, this should be current higher level learning if applicable. Also, we require a copy of the associated notification to WorkSafe New Zealand. The example must be work that was carried out within the last 12 months by your own workers, not by subcontractors.